Hello everyone, welcome back to GSM Tips. Today I will show you how to enable the edge lighting for the notification for when you receive a notification on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So for this, go into settings, notifications, notification pop-up style, and you have here this option edge lighting style. Just go inside and you get a few of them. Just select one of them. If you go to the advanced option, you can adjust the transparency. You can make it low, you can make it high. Okay, you can adjust the width and you can adjust the duration. If you want it to be short, you keep it to left. If you want it to be longer, you turn it to right as much as you like. Click done and you're done. Let's try it now to see how it looks like. This is the way it's gonna turn up. And you can also, if you go inside, if you go to advanced option, you can also adjust the color, so you get different colors. Or you can just keep it as automatic, but it is fully customizable. So this is it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.